You're watching superhot plasma, gas heated to millions of degrees, moving along invisible magnetic field lines on the sun's surface. The sun isn't a solid ball. It's a massive boiling ocean of electrically charged plasma. And that plasma constantly twists and stretches magnetic fields, like elastic bands under tension. Now here's why solar flares happen. The sun's magnetic fields become tangled and stressed over time. When that stress becomes too strong, the magnetic fields suddenly snap and reconnect. This process is called magnetic reconnection. In just seconds, an enormous amount of energy is released, in the form of intense heat, radiation, and light. That sudden release is what we call a solar flare. Sometimes, along with a flare, the sun launches a massive cloud of charged particles into space. This is known as a coronal mass ejection, or CME. Think of it this way. The flare is the flash, but the CME is the punch that can actually hit Earth. So what happens if a strong one reaches us? First, radio blackouts. High-frequency radio signals can suddenly drop, especially affecting aviation and ships. Second, GPS errors. Navigation systems can become less accurate or unreliable. Third, satellites are at risk. They can glitch, lose signal, or even suffer permanent damage. And fourth, power grids. During the strongest geomagnetic storms, electrical currents can surge through long power lines and transformers, leading to large-scale blackouts. And there's one beautiful side effect too. Auroras can appear in places that almost never see them. Now the big question, does this harm people directly on the ground? Most of the time, no. Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field protect us. But astronauts in space, high-altitude flights, and satellites are far more exposed. In my opinion, the truly scary part isn't the sun being angry. It's how much we depend on fragile technology, satellites, GPS, internet, while forgetting that space weather is real. The sun doesn't need to aim at Earth to affect our lives. It just needs one powerful burst, at the wrong time,